Who would have thought I'd be looking at all these flours and trying to figure out what's the difference between bread flour that costs $4.84 and bread flour that costs $3.86. I'm taking my time. Oh, cake flour. Walmart. Again. I do love Walmart. Look at that pickle jar. I really like these on a very soft white bread. Ooh, so good.
So this is the ingredients, and if you want the whole entire recipe, it's done in the description box. Okay, so first we add heavy whipping cream, milk, egg, sugar, cake flour, come on, bread flour, a lot of them, because we're making bread, duh, active dry yeast, some salt, and we mix it on stir mode for 15 minutes. Okay, so after 15 minutes, turn it off. It'll be pretty sticky, as you can see here. So then you damp the towel, cover it in a warm spot for 60 to 90 minutes. I did it for 60 minutes though, so it worked fine for me. Oh, I was stupid. Okay, there we go. So meanwhile, I wait for it to rise for an hour. I cook the sausages. Okay, so after an hour, we're gonna stir it again for another 5 minutes on stir mode to get the bubbles out. On the lightly floured surface, put the dough down, cut into 12 pieces. So this is me kneading the dough. I clean the counter before I put the flour down and the dough down, and also wash my hand, so stay clean, I guess. So this is my 12 pieces. I'm gonna cover it for an hour to proof it, and here it is proof. And I'm gonna egg wash it before I bake it. Now I egg wash it, but I want some more taste on it, so I add some cheese and oregano on top. And I'm gonna bake it at 350 Fahrenheit for 14 minutes. But after the first 7 minutes, you have to come back and turn it the other way so it can cook fully both sides. Here's the finishing product. Pretty good. For those who are looking for like a soft bread recipe, this is the one. This is really good. Anyway, good luck making them at home.